Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I will be discussing another VAC-BOS converter. The second one got an L liquid crystal display. It could display the output. This is still a VAC-BOS converter. And this is with the serial number ZK-DP60. And this is rated 60 watts. And the maximum current that it could give is 5 amperes. This is a buck-boost converter, adjustable voltage regulator, 12 volts. The input voltage is with the range 6 volts to 32 volts, and the output voltage is with the range 1.5 to 32 volts direct current. Right now, the input voltage is 12.9. That's the 12.9. It goes here. It's connected here. It goes inside here. So the input to this buck-boost converter is actually this one coming from that 12.9 here. So right now the input voltage is 12.9. Okay, 12.9. The output voltage will be shown on the liquid crystal display. I don't have to place anymore the multitester here. I will just read this one on the liquid crystal display. Okay, I will repeat it. Serial number is CKDP60, rated 60 watts, 5 amperes, buck-boost converter, adjustable voltage regulator, 12 volts. The input voltage is with the range 5 volt to 32 volts. Output voltage is 1.5 to 32 volts AC. It could function as a boost converter or buck converter. Boost converter meaning the output voltage could be greater than the input voltage, and the output voltage could be less than the input voltage. Right now, the input voltage is 12.9. 12.9. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. 12.9. Okay. Right now, I could adjust the output voltage here. The reading right now is 13.68. And this one here, if I will try to rotate this one more on the clockwise direction, it could increase. Right now, the output voltage is 14 volts. If you needed 14 volts, by adjusting this one, you could get 14 volts here. So this one here works as a boost converter. And if you needed the voltage less than 12.9, we could do that. We'll just rotate this one. Okay, counterclockwise. So we'll be decreasing the output voltage. I will try to go faster. The output voltage now is 10.49. Okay, I will try to decrease this one to 6.6, and I will try to show you that I could power up a gadget by using this one, because this is rated 60 watts and it is 5 amperes. Okay, it got some heatsink also, so the parts are actually heat durable, you know. Okay, I will try to rotate more this one. Counterclockwise. Okay, that's 6.6. You see it, guys? Okay, I will try to zoom in. That's 6.6. Okay, that's 6.6. So from 12.9, by adjusting the knob over there, I was able to decrease the output voltage to 6.6. So if I needed to operate a gadget which needed 6 volts, I could inject that 6.64 volts here. And I will now try to power up my gadget. This will be an AM FM radio in combination with the tape player. The power supply of this one, I converted it to DC. So it got a red terminal and black terminal. I put a capacitor here, high frequency capacitor, so we could eliminate some buzzing sound. This will be the connection going to the plus and minus. Okay, I will now put my AM FM receiver here. The green one is connected to the positive terminal. The AM FM is actually now set to FM. Hopefully it's not music. Okay. And this white thing here, this one needed 6 volts and we will inject 6.64 emanating from the buck boost converter. Okay. Okay. I now place the terminal. I will place this one to FM.
To slow you down. That's backed up through the 605 Gladstone to the
Okay.
south. There's a to the LA area here. South 405, you're going to the airport, is slow from the 10 down through La Tijera. Some additional slowing from the 105 down through the
It's very
south.
clear.
That earlier problem around Inglewood Avenue
It
is
works.
history. Nothing to worry about. Upper deck looks halfway decent, at least right now. And 10 East is slow through Mid-City into
Okay.
downtown. Work injury,
Works.
it's now easier than ever to find the injury help you need. Simply text injury help to 40222. DTLA Law Group injury attorneys get peace of mind knowing you're well represented and being paid while you recover. Text injury help to 40222 or Google calldowntown.com. SoCal's only reliable traffic reports every 10 minutes on the 570 Irvine. 24-hour traffic.
I was able to operate this one here, which needed 6 volts. I adjusted the voltage of the buck boost converter to 6.64. So the power supply of this one now emanates from this buck boost converter. And as you can see, this is rated 60 watts in the maximum 5 ampere current. Okay, I will try to increase the volume.
So now we have this shutdown. We have air traffic controllers who are going to miss their paycheck coming up this Friday. And it's a distraction. It's a distraction that's not needed. And we urge Congress to end the shutdown.
How dangerous is it to not have air traffic controllers at the local airport? We know that the national airspace system is designed to handle this sort of thing, but they really have to slow things down when they don't have people with eyes on the ground, right?
Exactly. First of all, air traffic controllers.
Okay, I will try to
they are
decrease the
dedicated
volume.
workforce.
Okay,
They're
that's it,
professional.
guys. That's
They
my
do their
discussion
job
for
very well.
tonight.
Having said that,
It's a discussion
they work
on the
10
operation
hour
of the
days,
buck
6
boost
days a week.
converter,
And so,
in which if we
this
needed
shutdown
a
and missing
lower
your
voltage
paycheck
than the
and worrying
input
about the
voltage, we
future
could
is
lower
a
it.
concern, is a
And if
distraction.
we
Now,
need a
having said
voltage
that,
greater than
Burbank
the
is
input
back
voltage, we
online.
could do
Air
it.
traffic, as
Okay,
was mentioned,
good
is handled
evening from
by
Los
Southern
Angeles.
California TRACON, and this happens
This is
from
Professor
time to
David J.
time
Demonstrate.
when it's needed. So safety is not a concern because when there's an issue in terms of